I come from a small community in Denmark where you're used to you know everyone and talk to everyone. So when I get past someone in the local community, I always nod to them just to say I'm here. And when I came to Finland the first time, I did that as well, but that's not something you do in Finland to people you don't know that well. So it was not until I've done it 5 or 6 times that I got to know that that's not something you do here. And I felt so stupid because I know that people have just thought, what is that? Yeah, I can recommend Finland and especially Sam to everyone. You get a huge experience every day as an adventure. New things happen all the time and you get new friends, you get very, very, very good education. Not where you only get the certificate, but you actually learn a lot too. I like the teachers and the teaching a lot. There's so many different ways that the teachers teach us the things, but everyone are really good at teaching us the things we need to know, and we learn from each other as well. We work a lot in the groups and learn from each other. So overall, I'm amazed by how much I have learned the first half years of my study compared to high school and so on. I feel the past half year I've learned what I've learned through 3 years of high school. It's amazing, and you feel like you can apply what you learn to the future. Whereas in high school you might feel that, what am I going to ever to use this for? But here you really feel that you can use it and apply it when you get a job in the future, and it just makes it so much more motivating. And I've certainly got a lot of new friends. I felt before I started, I was in Finland a month before the school started, and I felt it was very boring because I didn't know anyone. But immediately when we started school, I felt comfortable and got to know people. I got friends now from all over the world, many from Finland, but also Asia, America, also from Africa, and so on. So many contacts, so many cultures, and it's so cool because you really feel welcome there. The cool part about it is that there is no outsiders. Everyone are different, and everyone respects that. So you treat other people with respect, but you also get respect again. And we have a great communication in the class, even though the cultures are so different, and we have a good friendship in the spare time as well. So I think it has been really, really good experience, and I got to learn a lot about new cultures and meet many new people. So I'm really grateful for that opportunity.